This is Vivek Patil here. I'm from Pune. I got some reference for Car Cupid for detailing and car accessories. And then when I approached these guys, then I got a lot of options for car seats. Out of that, the one which you can see here, which looks very premium, I got in love with it actually in first sight. And I'm really happy to have these seats. It's looking very amazing, very rich. I appreciate the effort taken by Car Cupid team, and I suggest if you want to have anything to be done into your car, please come to Car Cupid, take the opinion, and I'm very sure that you will be definitely get it done from Car Cupid itself. I'm really happy to have this seat core implemented in my car.